What do you think made you sick?
Pool.
You think you got sick because of the pool?
Yeah.
And why did you get sick because of the pool?
Because it was too cold.
It was too cold when we got outside of the pool, right?
Yeah.
So whose fault was it that you got sick?
Dad.
What?
It was Daddy?
Yeah.
Why?
Me.
Yeah.
It was my fault too, right? Because even if the pool was hot inside, outside it was cold. So should we go in the pool when it's cold?
No.
No, we shouldn't, right? But did you have fun?
Yeah.
You did? What do you think about the fun that you had? Was it worth getting sick?
Bless you. Oh no.